Hello, good afternoon. My name is Bishwanath Mukherjee, and I am part of CCM, which is Community Council members. And the three people in this group are Adi Chaudhary, who you just saw, Shomen Nondi, and myself. The job of CCM is to essentially ensure that if there are some difficulties and challenges and some serious situations that are happening in the organization, that we need to step forward and take care of such situations. Okay? As you know, our organization is mainly run by GBM, the governing body members, and you know them all: Ajay Joshi, Sanjeev Nayak, Anima Kumar, Sanhita Bandopadhyay, and Manush Rai. And they have put together a great Durga Puja for us, not just Durga Puja, various other events throughout the year, throughout the past year as well, because they had a 2-year term. I think they deserve a big round of applause for the excellent job that they have done. And I should say that, as CCM, we run election, and I'll get to it in just a moment. And I also said that, if there are challenges in the organization, CCM has to step forward. But guess what? We didn't have to step forward at all this year. Of course, there are always, some friction here and there, but they were able to manage everything. So I should say that after like 12, 13 years of existence of Utsav, things are, maturing, and we have, less, hiccups, where CCM has to step in. So, which is actually a very good sign, okay? Okay, so the way our organization works, according to our bylaws, each GBM has a 2-year term, after which we do election, okay? So pretty soon, you'll be receiving email about our election. People who would like to volunteer should step forward so that they can run our organization. And if we have more than 5 people stepping up, we'll do an election. We'll have voting, okay? And the way the thing works, the top 5 vote getters, they become part of GBM. And then, from among those 5 people, 1 person is selected to be the president. How does it work? It's like a parliamentary form of government. First you elect your leaders, and then the leaders themselves elect their leader, where CCM also plays a role, okay? So this is how our organization works. This is the election that will be coming up. I thought we should let everybody know, okay, about our organization and how it works, okay? If you have any questions, you can ask me or ask Adi, ask Shomen. We are the CCM, and we hope all of you will participate so that we can continue to enjoy good Durga Puja and other functions in the years ahead, okay? All right. Thank you very much.